This week's Torah reading is called Toldot, and in it we have conflicting views of the twins, Esau, the firstborn, and Jacob. In the week's Parsha, the difference between the two twins could not be more apparent. As the father, Jacob, laid ill, dying in his bed, the Torah states, "Then Rebekah took the best clothes of her older son Esau, which were in the house, and had her younger son, Jacob, put them on." The deceit was on. Rabbi Shimon ben Gamliel in the Talmud commented upon this, saying, "All my life I attended upon my father, yet I did not do for him even 1/100th of the goodness that Esau did for his daddy, for his father." What Rabbi Shimon was referring to was the fact that whenever Esau waited upon his father, he put on his finest clothes. He dressed up. He attended to his every need. When his father said he wanted a certain kind of food, he went out and procured it. Midrash Rabbah agrees with Rabbi Shimon and declares, Esau only wore royal clothes that was worthy of being in the presence of his father. There is a very good reason why honor thy father and thy mother is part of the 10 Commandments, along with do not lie, do not steal, and do not murder. All these compelling commandments are equal to the commandment of honoring your mother and father. Respect for one's parents is a necessary component for societal composition, for life to take on greater meaning, especially intergenerational, because oftentimes we're dealing with 3 or 4 generations that live at a single time. And unless this tradition or this mitzvah, this commandment is passed down from generation to generation, society falls apart. Esau was highly respectful of his father, even if he had other personality flaws, and we laud him for observing that commandment to the hilt. Why would the Torah go to such lengths to talk about his exemplary behavior when in so many other ways Esau was wicked? Perhaps to teach us that no one is completely righteous and no one is completely wicked. All of us are a mixture of both, and we should do our utmost, try our best to see the good in every person. And then we'll find shalom not only without in our environment, but shalom within in our heart.